Hi guys, good morning. So let us see what is law of mentalism and law of assumption. What's the core difference between both of them? Okay, so now let us see what is law of mentalism. Law of mentalism means whatever is your thinking, okay, inside your mind. If you think universe is flat for you. If you think universe is round for you. If you think universe is hexagonal, it's hexagonal for you. If you think universe is full of light, it is full of light for you. If you think universe is dark, then it's dark for you. Okay, so whatever you think in your mind is your own reality, basically. Okay, that is law of mentalism. Whatever you think and whatever you withhold within your mind, this is how this is, like that you will withhold a belief system now inside your mind. Actually, that is truth according to you. Whether it's truth according to the world, universe, others or not and all does not matter. This is how I'm thinking and this is what is the truth for me. Okay, so whatever inner reality you withhold, whatever inner belief system, whatever inner thinkings and thoughts you have, you see and feel the external reality also in the same way, and you believe that is the truth for you, and that is how the external reality is also. Okay, so that is law of mentalism. Now let us come to law of assumption. Law of assumption is whether you have seen it or not, you in your heart, okay, you will know I want this is how I want this. Okay, so you have both that. And for example, let us take I want this much of money. Okay, and you always keep living in that dreams within your heart space. If I have money this much, I'll be so happy now, I'll settle to all these people now, I will return all the debts back now. All that you'll keep on thinking within your heart space, you'll be enjoying that, you will be into that visions, and your emotions also will be merged along with that visions. Okay, your feelings, emotions, everything will be merged along with your that visions. You strongly believe that visions will come true, that visions are going to come true very soon, or that visions you're living that as visions in reality. Okay, so that becomes your reality. This is law of assumption. Whatever you assume inside your heart, you believe you are living that, and your emotions mingle with that, and that manifests into your reality, and that you start living that in your, not only in your visions, in the 3D reality also. This is law of assumption. This is the basic difference. Law of mentalism is you think whatever you want to assume and think. Okay, just with that thinking it ends there. So when you see it on the outside also, see, when you see the universe, when some people talk about the universe, you keep thinking universe is round and that person is talking about that. But actually universe could be hexagonal or rectangular or whatever it is, round or however it is. That could be the actual truth. But how you are thinking in your mind is your truth. Okay. And law of assumption is, I want this. I want a round ball. Okay. So you are keeping on assuming that you're playing with that round ball. If that round ball is with you, you'll do this, you'll do that, you'll enjoy with that round ball, all that things. And you're keeping on projecting that to the universe. So that frequency goes and matches to the object which is present in this 3D and attracts that, pulls that towards you and brings that into your life. And the universe makes that into your reality. Okay, this is law of assumption. Whatever you assume and you strongly believe and you strongly merge your emotions, happy emotions along with it, that manifests as your reality. This is law of assumption. Okay, so I hope now you can understand the difference very clearly.